Zoom just came out with a new high fidelity option, which is perfect for teaching pianos. Here's how you set it up. Open your Zoom client, and on the top right hand corner where the logo is, check make sure you have the latest update. We do. So right below that logo is the settings wheel. Click on that and then the audio section. And at the very bottom on the right, click on advanced. And here you see the new high fidelity option. Click on that option, and I'm just going to click on the question mark here to show you what Zoom has to say about it. You will need an audio interface in order to enable this to work, and they're found at any local electronics store. Here's an example of one, and you're set to go. Happy teaching!